Have you started looking for the nearest jewelry stores because you need your favorite jewelry piece repaired? Before continuing with your search, we would recommend going through the DIY jewelry repair, pros and cons. Pros. Your jewelry will look brand new again. The most obvious advantage of getting your favorite rings, necklaces, and bracelets repaired is the fact that your item will look brand new again. Professionals recommend bringing in your favorite pieces that you constantly wear at least once every year, so that the jewelry can get polished, cleaned, and checked. For a relatively small price, jewelers can return the bling to your pieces, take care of the minor wear and tear issues, and make them look spectacular again. You can get a new jewelry piece without actually having to pay for one. Jewelers can not only fix a bent ring stank or eliminate the scratches on the metal. If one of the stones is lost, you can ask the professional to insert a completely different one, or if the piece is too worn down, you might want to use what's left to create a new piece. Rings can be converted to pendants, for example. It's a great way to save jewelry that has sentimental value. Finally, if your piece is an antique, a gift, or holds sentimental value in any other way, attempting to repair the item is the only option you're left with, as, in such a case, you can't simply replace the jewelry. Cons. You might end up paying too much for the repair. There are situations when getting a new piece would be much more cost-effective than trying to repair the item. If too many stones were lost, for example, or the item is completely broken, replacing it might be a bit cheaper. The only exception is the jewelry that holds sentimental value, as those are often irreplaceable. You might be dissatisfied with the results. There might be a few reasons why you'd be disappointed after picking up your piece from the jeweler. 1. Your expectations were too high. This usually happens in case the item was severely damaged and bringing it back to its original state was practically impossible. 2. The jeweler was not experienced enough or trustworthy. That's, perhaps, the worst thing that can happen to a client. 2. Some jewelers might end up ruining your piece, while others may even try to switch your gemstones for fakes. Final thoughts. Those were DIY jewelry repair, pros and cons. As you can see, there are more advantages to getting your pieces repaired. Furthermore, you might never have to deal with any of the cons, if you manage to find a reputable jeweler. Dorano Jewelry, for example, is an Arcadia jewelry repair shop. Our jewelry experts have years of experience to help restore your favorite pieces. So, if you're looking for jewelry repair around me, this store is worth checking out.